Have you noticed more hair in your brush than on your head? Does your hair seem thinner, weaker, or simply refuse to grow no matter what you try? If so, today's video is for you. Welcome back to Ebony Graceful Wardrobe. Today, I'm sharing a simple but powerful natural hair recipe that's perfect for anyone struggling with hair loss, slow hair growth, or weak, thinning hair. The best part is that it's made with affordable ingredients you may already have in your kitchen. Stay with me until the end because I'll show you exactly how to prepare it, how to use it correctly, and a simple tip that can help you get the best possible results. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Ebony Graceful Wardrobe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly fashion and beauty tips designed especially for elegant women over 60. Now, let's get started. Our first ingredient is 1 tablespoon of dried rosemary, one of the most popular natural herbs for healthier-looking hair. Rosemary may help stimulate circulation in the scalp, allowing more nutrients to reach the hair follicles. It also helps support a healthier scalp, creating a better environment for stronger, more resilient hair over time. If your hair feels weak or seems to be shedding more than usual, rosemary is a wonderful ingredient to include in your hair care routine. Our second ingredient is 1 tablespoon of ground coffee. Ground coffee is rich in natural compounds that can help strengthen the hair and support a healthier scalp. Stronger hair is less likely to break, which can make your hair appear fuller and healthier over time. It may also leave your hair looking shinier while improving its overall appearance. Our third ingredient is 1 generous tablespoon of dried oregano. Oregano contains antioxidants that help protect the scalp from everyday environmental stress. A healthy scalp creates better conditions for healthy, stronger-looking hair. Although this recipe is incredibly simple, these 3 ingredients work beautifully together. Now it's time to prepare our tonic. Add half a cup of water to the rosemary, coffee, and oregano. Place everything in a small saucepan and allow it to simmer gently for about 1 to 1.5 minutes. This creates a concentrated herbal infusion. When these ingredients are combined, they create a nourishing tonic that helps care for the scalp while supporting stronger, healthier-looking hair. Once the tonic has cooled completely, strain it through a clean cheesecloth, coffee filter, or fine cotton cloth to remove all the herbs and coffee grounds. Pour the strained liquid into any clean container you have at home. At this point, your hair tonic is ready. Now let's add our final ingredient, castor oil. Castor oil has been used for generations as part of natural hair care routines. It helps moisturize the scalp, supports healthier-looking hair, and may reduce breakage by keeping the strands better conditioned. You have 2 options. You can add a small amount directly into the tonic and shake well before every use, or you can apply the castor oil separately to your scalp before washing your hair. An easy option is to mix the castor oil directly into the tonic and shake well before each use. Now here is how to use the tonic. Before washing your hair, shake the bottle well to combine the tonic and the castor oil. Apply it directly to your scalp, making sure to cover the entire scalp evenly. Massage gently with your fingertips for several minutes to help distribute the tonic. Leave it on for about 1 hour. Then wash your hair with shampoo and conditioner as you normally would. With regular use as part of a healthy hair care routine, you may begin to notice hair that feels stronger, healthier, and less prone to breakage. Remember, healthy hair doesn't happen overnight. Consistency is what makes the difference. Natural ingredients like rosemary, coffee, oregano, and castor oil can become a wonderful addition to your routine when used regularly alongside good overall hair care habits. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried any of these natural ingredients on your hair? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed today's video, Don't forget to like, subscribe to Ebony Graceful Wardrobe, and turn on notifications for more timeless beauty and fashion tips designed especially for elegant women over 60. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.